Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Kanushi's Corner. For today, this video we have the Rubik's official 50 years on Speedcube for ages 8 and up. I know you might be asking yourself, well, why do you have this? You don't have any other videos about things like this? Well, I do, when I was a little over twice this age, at around like 16 to 18, I got into doing Rubik's Cube stuff, wanted to learn how to solve it, did that, and someone actually gifted me this bad boy. This is what I started and learned on, and you can tell it's old, not only because the yellow and white are next to each other, but because of all the sticker peeling and the blues missing a side. It's pretty rough, but yeah. Now, uh, whenever I kind of got into it a little, I wanted to get a Speedcube, but Rubik's didn't have an official Speedcube, and now apparently they do. The ones at the time, there's like other cheaper variants out there. This one will set you back probably about $15 plus tax. But I always told myself if Rubik's ever came out with an official one, since then they've come out with other ones that are comparatively priced that are also magnetic Speedcubes, but really simple box, just a lot of cardboard. But I told myself if Rubik's ever comes out with one, and it just falls right out. It just plops out the top. Okay. All right, cool. So easy to get out. Yeah, that's cool. But I told myself if they ever came out with one, I would get one. And so here I am. I caught wind that they released one. And so, oh man, can I get it out of the plastic? What's going on here? Is it like a, okay. Weird bag. Weird bag. 100% weird bag. Oh, come on, man. There we go. All right. It's out. But yeah, this thing, I don't know. Let's give it some turns. Oh, that is smooth. All right. Yeah. You just like, oh, all up in your, oh, it's so quick. Oh, yeah. That's, as someone who has zero speed cubing experience, I mean, I've been on this thing. This is, I mean, if you want to do a, look at me try to do this with one finger. This is, and this is me having, like, I've taken this apart. I tried lubing it. I tried, but this one, it's just real easy. I mean, I can accidentally make moves on it. You can flip swap it. Oh, yeah, that's, I can like hold the top, turn the bottom, turn this side. That's great. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm sure there's other, other cubes that are better out there as far as how they work goes. Speed, everything. You can get a lot of I guess I'm just trying to solve it now. But you can get a lot of different kinds. That's why I never really bought one. I'm not a like speed solver or whatever, but I'd collect different kinds of Rubik's cubes. I have the official 4x4, 5x5. I even made a like a statue, a clay statue, whenever back in high school. Whenever I first got into it, and I was like, oh, I can solve these things now. This is really cool. Man, it's crazy just how easy the thing turns. Like, it trips me out. So remember, have the right tools for success. But yeah, that's it. It's a cute cube. It's pretty cool. I guess I'll take some time at the end here. Let's see how fast I can solve it. All right, we got the, can't get over how smooth it is. Oh man. Like, it's so smooth that me gripping it, like, feels like it messes it up. Gosh, that's just fantastic. because I'm so used to having to have such a freaking like straight up super grip on the other one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait, no, right. Yellow's on the opposite side. I'm just blown away by how easy this thing turns. This is nutso. Yeah, I mean, that's close, but I messed up a whole thing in there. Oops. Oh, jeez. Oopsie daisy. Gosh, I just want to, like, turn it forever. It feels so smooth. Oh, I did it again. How do I keep messing this up? Because I'm not focused. I'm too, like, whoa at how it moves. Jeez. That's what happens when you're just so stupefied and, like, gosh. Like the magnets, how they click, like it's got these little magnets in it. Golly. There we go. I didn't mess up that time. Gosh, just like how it freaking. Man, it's just so stinking smooth. And there's no stickers. The no stickers thing is just like, wow. Wowie zowie. Gosh, I like feel myself like breaking it apart because of how I turn it. So I'm used to having to like, because of this bad boy right here. Like you have to really kind of wrestle with it to get it to do stuff. And that's what I'm used to. I'm used to having to solve it and fiddle with it and play with it. So this is a very different experience. It's so cool. I definitely suggest picking one up if you like doing cube stuff. I mean, it doesn't even have to be this one. There's cheaper ones out there. There's more elaborate and expensive ones out there, which is why I haven't ever gotten one. Because I was like, I already have cheapo doing what I wanted to do McGee over here, you know. I don't need to go spend $40 on a Speedy Boy. Because I wasn't, you know, I'm not trying to like compete or whatever. Wait, hold on. Let me check my. All right, yeah, that's. All right. Yeah, that looks right. So then you. Yeah, done. Yeah, no, that's super cool. As opposed to this again, like this, so clunky and old. I mean, I needed an upgrade. It was time. I can. I don't know. Will I still mess with this one? Yeah, probably. But I don't know. It's just different. Probably give it one last solve and then retire it. It's about time. It deserves retirement. This was given to me by a buddy of mine in high school because I told him I wanted to learn how to solve them, and he was like, here you go. Pretty cool stuff. All right, well, yep, that's it. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's the Rubik Speedcube. Yeah, really cool thing. Magnets, pretty well built, kind of spongy. Corner cuts pretty well. Feels like it will explode if it drops too far off of anything. So, you know, be careful with that. But, yep, that's it. See y'all later. Until next time, have a good one.